Hi, I'm Stacey, the founder of Platform, a concept store on Marylebone Lane in central London. We're a community of independent designers who share a passion for sustainability, craftsmanship, and design across fashion, accessories, home, and art. After a decade-long career in finance, my love of fashion led me to study handbag design at the London College of Fashion before launching my own Italian leather accessories brand. Platform was born from my search for a store that aligned with my values of quality and ethical production. What started as pop-ups in Mayfair and Sloane Square grew into this beautiful permanent space in Marylebone Village, now home to over 25 designers and artists throughout the year. What makes Platform special is a connection between designers and customers. Our designers work in store, telling the story behind each piece, while our website extends this experience, offering a wider selection of curated brands. Whether you visit us in London, shop online, or attend our in-person workshops and events, Platform is where you'll find slow fashion and unique homewares designed to last.